Alright, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how we can create list and we defined the three colors using add here, and we defined the list as a string named colors including red, blue, green, and then here we console right line that the colors are, and we write all the colors in a for each loop. Now we're going to remove colors. So for remove, we can simply just use colors that remove, and then defining which color to be removed. For example, I want to remove red. So after that, we can again copy these lines and then see what it's gonna be like. So if we start a program, you can see the colors are red, blue, green, and then here we remove the red, and then again use the for each loop calling the colors, and now we only have blue and green. As you can see, I don't have red here because I removed it. But there is a problem with this code. And you know, the problem is if we have multiple reds, for example, one in here and one in here. So we have three red. So if we run it now, we can see it only removed the first red. So this code here, it only removes the first entry of the list. So this is the first red, so it removed it. And these two, they remained, as you can see. So if we needed to delete all the reds, we can use if statements, or simply we can use Boolean in a while loop. And how's that going to be? Okay, you can try yourselves and pause the video. Alright, I hope that you guys did it. If don't, it doesn't matter. So we can use the boolean here. We can use bool is remove I don't know, is remove all, and we can say colors that remove, so red here. I don't need this line anymore. Okay, we can use, so this boolean, it can only be true or false. So for example, if we just call the boolean here and write it down on our program, you can see it is true because this statement is going to be true. We have red. If I call another color that is not in here, for example, I don't have yellow, so this boolean must be false because I don't have yellow to be removed. You can see it is false. So we say, okay, this is true. We have red. We have three red. So we can use while loop here. until is remove all is true, then colors that remove red. Okay, using double quotations here. So this is simple. This one is true, obviously, because we have red. And we imagine that we have more red. We have more than one red. So because of that, I used while here, and the condition is the bool to be true. So it is true because we removed one red. So we go to the loop, and until this is remove all true, we remove all the reds until there is no red left. So let's try that. Okay, that didn't go well because the colors are red, blue, green, red, red. There might be a bug here. Yeah, obviously that was my fault because I need to call the uh, is remove all here. So whatever it is, it goes inside the is remove all uh, variable. So this one is gonna be true, and then the second one is gonna be true because we have two. The third one is gonna be true, so it will stay in the while. And the fourth one is gonna be false. So the loop is gonna be it's gonna be the end of the loop because is remove all is gonna be false. So if we start it now, you can see that the colors are red, blue, green, red, red. So you don't need this one, so you can ignore this false. And then the colors are blue and green. To be honest, we can now delete this one because we don't need it. So here is the simple console. You see, we have three reds, and then in the second state, we don't have our three reds because of these three lines here. Yeah, that's it.